Hi everyone, welcome to the Best of CAT, and today we'll be solving a question on CAT 2024 Slot 2. The question is from Arithmetic. Don't forget to try and solve it on your own by pausing the video and then after that look at the solution. Let's read the question. It says, a vessel contained a certain amount of solution of acid in water. When 2 liters of water was added to it, the new solution had 50% acid concentration. When 15 liters of acid was further added to this new solution, the final concentration had become 80% acid concentration. The ratio of water and acid in the original solution is. So basically, it says there is some acid to water. We added 2 liters into this, which is a water, and now finally this becomes nothing but 50% acid, or I would say acid to water is going to be nothing but 1:1, right? And then, so I can write this as acid to water will become 1:1. Then finally, in this, we have added 15 liters of acid. And the moment it is acid is added, so now this becomes 80% acid. So therefore, I can straight away say acid to water now is 80:20, which is 4:1. And based on that, I'm supposed to identify what is the original value. Right? So now there are multiple ways of solving it. One possible method could be nothing but, let's assume that we have got initial volume is X liter. And then when 2 liter is added, this will become nothing but X plus 2. Now in that X plus 2, half of that, which is X by 2 plus 1, will be acid, and X by 2 plus 1 will be water. Now further 15 liter is added. So therefore the amount of acid would increase by 15 liter while the amount of water will remain same. So therefore now the new acid, when we add 15 liter, will become X by 2 plus 1 plus 15, that is nothing but acid. And water will be nothing but X by 2 plus 1 only. And I know now the ratio of acid to water is 4:1. So therefore, if I take that ratio, this is equals to 4/1 because 80% is that. So now if we simplify that, it will come out to be nothing but X by 2 plus 16 upon X by 2 plus 1 is equals to 4/1, which further can be rewritten as X plus 32 upon X plus 2 is equals to 4/1. When you cross multiply, we end up getting X plus 32 is equals to 4X plus 8, which gives me the value of X is equals to 24 upon 3, which is equals to 8. So that means I got to know the value of X is 8. Right? Now, the question says ratio of water and acid in the original was. Now, the moment I put this 8 out here, so I end up getting nothing but X by 2 plus 1. This value will be nothing but 8 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So therefore, when we added 2 liters of water, so therefore, it becomes nothing but 1:1, which is 5 and 5 liter of acid and water, right? And we know that amount of acid in that was nothing but 5 liter and amount of water is 5 liter once this 2 liter of water was added. So therefore, before the addition of this 2 liter of water, water was nothing but 3 while the acid was 5. So acid to water is 5:3. But the question says that you are supposed to calculate water to acid. So we need to keep an eye on that also, what exactly they're talking about. So therefore, acid to water in this question will be nothing but the reverse of that, which is 3:5. Right? So this is how you have to solve this question, right? And we have to get the answer, right? So this question could have been done using the allegation also in the reverse order, but this method is going to be slightly better, right? So therefore, I would want you to try a similar kind of a question, right? I'm just sharing it, and after solving it, share your answer in the comment section.